The Uncle song, I really want to find out from you the state that you did inside. Take write that song.
Okay, that one, I could be real to that, because this as I did America, then people they talk about, me comparing me to a whole lot of people and stuff like that. For instance, when Black Sheriff just dropped in single, and everybody started, saying a whole lot of things, and I was like, yo, me, I did pray a lot, so I was like, God, you can't really let these people get us like that, let's do something. So within like 45 minutes, I play the beats, I record everything, and I go sleep. So I sent to Jupiter, then me and Jupiter, they America. So I sent to him, say, yo, bad man, the thing that they talk, be like I record something. We say, huh. So Jupiter actually gave me that, motivation that Charlie could put them out, we could shoot video. So it was even the part, one of the people that, he helped me make shoot a video and everything too. Yeah. So Jupiter actually he did the video in the direct way for stand it. Yeah. He's good like that,
Wow. So Shatta, you spoiled.
I bought 7 houses.
What?
Yes, I have 7 houses. You understand me? I'm the only artist in Ghana that have been able to charge shows $100,000 3 times on a row.
No, even yeah, you see, and our life, the first Afro Nation show that they did in Ghana, the first time, they paid me $100,000 cash. Sadiq, West Wonderland. 3 music.
Yes,
3
I got paid $120,000. You understand me? If the artist want to know, I want to tell them. You know what I'm saying? Cardi B, when she came,
but you don't go play.
I don't go play. Cardi B, the same thing. I don't go play because I gave them a contract. You see me? I be too learned that when me and they do business, Cardi B, that show that they came to do in Ghana, another $100,000.
You took the money.
I took the money and I didn't go because the contract me and them signed, they violated. So that is how the thing came because it was a nice agreement.
Wow.
You understand me? So if I told somebody, say, I've been able to make $300,000 in shows in Ghana, somebody could sit there and talk, say, they brag. But it's like, it be your mindset, how you see things, how you grow. You understand me? Because people shouldn't just see the brand Shatta Wale like he wants to do business like any other person. I came here and I want to sell rubber bags. If I want to sell on the streets, it's me and my street and how I'll market it and make my money. You can choose to sell your rubber bag at Kuala or Accra Mall. How God go make you survive if you. But when I tell you, say, I buy this, don't think say they lie. Because sometimes I want to motivate people with this because it's been so long. Like people have been trying to put some kind of image on me. But I want people to know that the seriousness of my life is as I'm from here right now, I be my apartment are from Maniga.
We don't meet up. Let me just make TV know. Because TV no. Make I take 2 questions. The album is officially ready?
Yeah, my album is officially ready. We'll be dropping the first single on the 17th.
Your birthday?
My birthday, yeah.
So wait, you're not dropping the album itself on your birthday? Just the first single of it?
So yeah, I'm trying to play my own marketing strategy here. So people should just expect the unexpected.
We game with the play plus we Shatta, we game with the play plus we.
It be table tennis and hockey.
You don't say
the industry they play game with me, so I won't play my game too or make it, because it's just difficult for me to be independent all these years and work hard and try to be the Jay-Z's or the Migos we want to be and we can't be it. But me and my fans the only thing I love about Shatta Movement is that everybody that is attached to Shatta Movement believes in the hustle story.
That's right.
That we all have to make it, So basically, I know the fear when, at least they get some fights or attacks here and there. Nobody knew, I was independent until recently I went to Good Evening Ghana and even said it. That's when I started getting calls from everybody that, oh no, so you mean you've been doing everything yourself? Yes, everything myself. But so people understood my anger and everything, but basically, Shatta Movement, they never disappoint me because this album they can't release if you wanna, serious song, one serious songs with one serious projects with them our hot top. So I believe say where we want to take them go, we only know because say most of them they talk say we they take go Grammy and people they say oh how we go take go Grammy too.
Allah.